All right, Neil, we're back with your little monkey. Anyway, he's been doing great, but he screeches the whole time we're going down the road, and we were going through the drive-thru at Dunkin' Donuts. They didn't know what it was. It's going to be another one where the bird rescuers are going to be chasing us down. Anyway, so what we're doing right now is just shaping the behavior of Heel. He doesn't know Heel. He said he was a puller, so there's no correction. We're just going to create a behavior so that we can give it a name. So I'm just turning with the page. There's any pressure on that leash. I'm doing the page. We're not saying, I'm going to probably say, why are they not saying? There's really nothing to say. You see, he's already starting to do it. Controlling my slack. This is where everybody at home, you guys are working on this phone. Controlling my slack. Don't want the leash to continually get hooked under his leg. Now it's in his mouth. The last thing I'm going to do is tug and fight, though. Turn that page on every time. It's already starting to do it. That's already starting to be Heel right there. Because what we're going to define Heel as is walking with the head tipped inward. All right, so even though I've got him on the leash, I can do a little bit of the recall. Harley! Oh, good boy. Oh, goodness, he just inhaled it. So yeah, I don't know what our schedule is this week, Neil, but if you wanted to come by, bring him some treats, and work with him a little bit, you could probably do that. I'm still only going to crawl him when his back is turned. He has to inhale the treats. But we'll start adding the word Heel, and I'm not sure when. Harley! Oh, he likes to scratch his neck. Yeah, I'm just not crazy about the way his coat looks now. I'm not convinced we might not need to get him on a different kind of food. Because we got that white boxer in, and it's on the wellness. It does have a better coat than him. He just has dry skin. So again, as far as the jumping, I'm just not having any reaction, and it's very, very hard for people to do that. They want to go, no, 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 no. And to the dog, that seems like what he's saying to himself, that didn't get any reaction. Harley! Oh, good boy. Good boy. He's my little inhaler. Harley! Oh, goodness. We're starting to have Heel right there. It's starting to come together. That's going to be it right there. All right, we'll be right back with the phone video.